What's up guys, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and today I'm back with another Winter 2019 Steamville Holiday Quest Guide. So today is the 29th of December, and today's quest is create a collection. Visit your Steam library and create a new collection of games. So I use this regularly, as in I've used it once or twice, created my collections and forgotten about them, and by now I've completely forgotten about how to actually do them, so researching how to do this quest has been a little bit helpful, and maybe you'll find some use from it outside of these Steamville quests. Anyways, all you need to do is control click or click on the View Collections button, and you should get a pop-up saying Open Steam Client Bootstrapper. All you need to do is hit Open, and your Steam window will pop up like this. All you need to do is hit the Create a New Collection button, give it a name, so I'll just call it Temp, and I'll hit Create Collection. Then all you need to do is drag and drop a game from the left-hand side into the window, and congratulations, you now have a collection of games. If I were to minimize my collections here currently, you'll see Temp, and inside of it we have Dota 2. Either way, we've now accomplished the quest, and you can go ahead and delete this by right-clicking on the collection and going to Remove Collection, then hit Remove. Once you've done that, you can minimize Steam and head back to your browser. From here, all you need to do is hit Ctrl F5 to refresh the page and clear cache. If you're using the Steam browser to do this, then make sure to restart Steam entirely or head across to your friends list and toggle offline online a little bit to make sure that the page actually refreshes. Once the page is refreshed, scroll all the way down to the quest to make sure that we've actually accomplished it, and we have. There's a little check mark next to it, meaning that we have it. Either way, this is one of the more useful quests and that you might actually use it outside of these Steam holidays. Anyways, that's it. If you'd like help with any of these other quests, make sure to check the description down below and the comments for a link to a playlist on this. If you'd like to join my Steam community, that's also linked down in the description below, where you can come and talk to other people if you need their help on completing quests. Anyways, my name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao!